Hi, today we will try to learn how we can regress a linear model by using ordinary least square method in SPSS. We will also try to learn how to interpret the results of SPSS. Now here we have a regression model which we will regress in SPSS. In this model, our dependent variable is business decision making, and we have three independent variables, where first is preference of a capital gain, second is preference of dividend, and last one is gambling. Now we are going to test the impact of these three variables on our dependent variable business decision making. This is the script for cross-sectional data. Alpha is our intercept, beta is regression coefficient, and this is our error term. Now let's start with SPSS. Go to Analyze, then go to Regression, then Linear. This is the linear regression window. Here we will input the dependent variable, and here we will input our independent variables. Now, as per our equation, our dependent variable is business decision making, and we have three independent variables. Now input the variable business decision making to dependent column, and our three independent variables, where first is preference of capital gain, input this to independent, second is preference of dividend, input here, and last is gambling, input this variable here, then press OK. This is the SPSS output. We have four tables here. Start with the model summary. This table is displaying the results for R, R square, adjusted R square, and standard error. Here this is the R square, which is 0.280. It explains that the model can predict 28% of population. Now this table shows the results of ANOVA. These results are important when we regress the multiple regression. Multiple regression means we have a one dependent variable and two or more independent variables. As per the ANOVA table, the F statistics is 3.377 and significance is 0.033, which is less than 0.05. It shows the overall significance of the model. Now come to the last table, coefficients. These are the results of our regression model which we discussed earlier. Now here, these are the beta values. This is the t statistics and its significance. First, our intercept is significant. Second, preference of the capital gain is insignificant. Preference of the dividend here is significant. Gambling is insignificant. Second, we can test the impact. Preference of the capital gain may negatively impact the business decision making, but this variable is insignificant. Preference of the dividend may impact negatively the business decision making in our case, and the results are significant. Gambling may impact the negatively but insignificant.